What if I told you that ChatGPT could help you find a profitable Ethereum trading opportunity in minutes? In this video, I'll show you the exact AI prompt I used, the trading strategy ChatGPT selected, and how it helped generate real profit on Ethereum. Stay until the end because the results surprised even me. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we release any content, you will be informed. Now, the first thing we'll do is I want to show you the prompt that I will be using for ChatGPT. We're going to do all of this together. So here I have drafted out my prompts, and trust me, I also use the help of ChatGPT to get this prompt. But then I would drop this prompt as well in the comment section. So for anyone who wants to use it, there's a caveat to using this. All you just have to do is this is not only for Ethereum. I believe you can use this for other just in other tokens as well. All you just have to do is change wherever you see Ethereum, you change it for the token itself, for the token you want to trade or find opportunities on. Sorry, just give me a few minutes. Let me be able to copy this. I don't know why it's being this difficult to copy. um Sorry, just allow me. Let me copy this because I want to paste all of this inside of my chat GPT. So I would have edited this video where you wouldn't see most of all these my shortcomings, but this is a live demo, so I want to allow everything play out the exact way I did it, even my mistakes. So I think that is it. So I've been able to copy this. The next thing we'll have to do is go to ChatGPT. New chat. Go to ChatGPT. Now, once you're here, the only thing you have to do is just paste in the prompt that we have. Now, I want you to know this. Now, this prompt will always give you results every time you paste it into ChatGPT. We always tell you something profitable to trade. But as a disclaimer, be careful when you're taking the result that's giving you. This is not a business advice. This is not financial advice. Always make sure you still double check the strategies that it shows to you to see if they actually work or if they are a good strategy. Now the next thing to do will be to just click on enter. This ChatGPT is a ChatGPT Plus. It's not the free one, so I don't know if the free one will give you a clean answer like this, but that is not what we are worried about. Just follow the video and I'm sure this would be extremely helpful. So let's see what it showed. Final recommendation. This is just what I want to read for now. When you paste this, you can take your time and go through all of the analysis it made. It is always very good. I've gone through this analysis before, and so I don't want to waste much time or make this video longer than it should be. So it said the final recommendation is given. It said top 5 overall strategies ranked from strongest to weakest. Top 5, okay, top 5, the top 5 will be this: environment based recommendation, identify the best strategies for bull market. This is not giving me expected. Just hold on. Strategy evaluation. Okay, about the following AI powered strategies: momentum surge, grid waiver. I think it is showing me this momentum surge, and I think the momentum surge is what I'm going to pick for this token. It's a number one in the strategies here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of here and go to my trust wallet. Now, when I'm on my trust wallet, I go to discover. When you go to discover, just type in on the search bar, type in Valeris network. Once you type that in, hit the enter. This is going to bring you to the platform Valeris network. Now once you're here, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet if you haven't already. If you haven't, if you don't know how to do that, all you just have to do is click on the wallet icon you're seeing at the top here beside the network bar. Click on it, or if you're on a desktop, you'll see the connect wallet right up. Just click on it and then follow the prompt. If you get confused or you don't know how to do it, a link will be provided at the top of the video that takes you to another video that shows how to connect your wallet with Valeris platform. Now, once that is out of the way, the next thing to do is to make sure that you have some balance in your wallet to be able to trade or do this. Now, I'll go to my wallet, and you can see my wallet is connected here, and it should show my balance. Just give it a few seconds. Let it display the balance I have in my wallet. So as you can see, at least I have about $10,000 worth of ether, which is what I'll be using for this trade today. So the next thing to do will be to click on the menu. Once you click on the menu, go to markets. Once you're here, just look at this menu here. You see the AI bot. Click on the AI bots. Once that is selected, the next thing to do will be to scroll down and scan through all the strategies that are available on the platform. But we're actually looking for momentum surge. So we're going to scroll down until we find momentum surge. Mind you, in the prompts that I provided to ChatGPT, I listed out all the AI trading strategies that are available on this platform. So I wanted ChatGPT to evaluate those strategies and then tell me which is the best to take. So here we have the momentum surge. So the next thing to do is just click on the deploy. Now, once you click on this, the next thing to do is to select the token that you want to take your asset from. Now, I want you to know that the token you're taking the asset from is not necessarily the token or the asset that the AI is going to be trading on. You can use USDT for this, you can use any token for this, but then I will show you how to select the particular token that your AI should trade on. So first off, let's just select Ethereum token, and for this I'd want to use 10,000 to trade $10,000 worth of ether to trade this. Now, this is the most important part of this video. Please do not miss this. Instead of having this on any pair, now when you leave this on any pair, there's a problem with it, and the problem with it is it is going to start looking for every token and looking for opportunities, the momentum surge opportunities on each of them. But remember, when we made this search on ChatGPT, we used particularly ether. So for this to work, we should only deal with ether pairs and not every token. So to enable that, all you have to do is to click on the selected pairs. Once you do that, now start providing any ether pair you know. Make sure it's a valid ether pair. So first in my mind or my list will be ETH USDT. Obviously, I'll add that. Then I'll come for the next one. I do ETH USDC. Obviously, then the next one will be ETH BTC. BTC. I think these three pairs is okay for me because these are the ones that mainly control the market for it. So the next thing to do will be to check this box here that says I understand, and then we'll just click on the deploy bot. Now it's going to ask us to confirm the deployment, and then we'll confirm the deployment. Give it a few seconds to process the transaction, and as you can see, we have successfully we successfully deployed our bot. Now the next thing is to just wait it out. Wait the process out and see I have actually claimed some assets here before, and we want to do it this time again with Ethereum. So guys, I will go off now and then maybe come back in a few hours and see what profit we have made from our trades. So guys, it's been over 3 hours since we deployed our AI trading strategy. So let's go back to Valeris network and then confirm if we have made profits from our trade or not. So to do this, first thing to do is to click on the discover. Once you click on the discover, you type in the Valeris.network and hit enter. And once you're back on the page, make sure you're still connected to your wallet. Next thing to do is click on the menu and then click on market. And once you click on market, the next thing to do is to click on the AI bots. And scroll down to this part and then click on my bot. Now, wow, guys, as you can see, Currently, this AI bot has made around $13,738 in profit, trading with our $10,000 that we had invested using Ethereum. Now, guys, I would want to let's just click on this. Let's see the trade history and see how this bot was trading. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, these are trades. These are the trades that the bot made. Some of them losses, some of them won. Now this is a lot of trade. This is a lot of trades. This is a lot of trade. Now here's one thing I'd advise, guys. On most of the AI bot strategies that I've taken on this platform, what I always do is that I have a target. And once the money has gotten to that target, which the money has gotten to right now and I've exceeded, it has exceeded it. Once I get to that target, I always exit the market because this bot, okay, there was a time I left my bot to run for I think about 4 days or so. At the end of the day, yes, I was not seeing losses, no losses. Yes, I still got profit, but I saw a way higher profit at some stage that the bots traded and lost some of the assets, and then I had to exit out of the trading strategy with a lesser profit. Though it was still profit, but a lesser one. So, guys, the next thing I'll do now is exit out of this trade, and this is how you exit. You see the stop button here. First off, click on it and then acknowledge this, then you click the stop deploy. Now once that is done, you have stopped this bot from trading. Right now it cannot trade anymore, but your assets are still not available in your wallet yet. You can confirm this by coming to the wallet. Let's just confirm we deposited ether, so we are expecting to receive ether back. So here you see what we have here. Our ether is still very small, 0.11 ether. So let's go back to market, go back to AI bots and click my bot, and then you see the money sign here. Click on it, acknowledge this, and then click on confirm. That's it, guys. We have been able to stop our deployed trading strategy and then withdraw our cash out of it. Now if I come back here, I can go back to my wallet and see my balance. Just give it a few seconds to process. Now as you can see, guys, the balance is reflecting here, and we can even confirm this further if we come out and go to our trust wallet. Now as you can see on my trust wallet, the value is visible. I have made this crazy amount, made $13,000 within 3 hours. Now this is one of the biggest mind-blowing experience that I know I've gotten so far, but this is nice and I'm happy I caught this on record. Now we can come into Ethereum activities and then see how we even, okay, now watch it. This is when we deployed the bots about 3 hours ago, and this is the amount we used 5.984 ether to do this trade, to deploy the bot. And then when we withdrawing, when we claimed out 14.116 ether. Guys, this is amazing. This is seriously amazing. So guys, if this video was educative or it was helpful in any form, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, also turn on your bell notification icon so you'll be notified every time we release new amazing contents like this. Also, if you have any confusions as to maybe how to go about it, trading the AI strategy, you can drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you. Until next time, guys, stay good.